Hey, do you have a Toyota Sienna and the AC or heater fan stopped blowing or is making some ruckus, loud noise? Well, I'm going to show you how to replace that blower fan. And I recommend getting the OEM fan versus getting an aftermarket one. From all the reviews I've seen is to stay away from the aftermarket ones and make sure to get the Denso original factory Toyota fan, the OEM one. So let me turn on this light and I'll show you what we're going to be replacing. All you're going to need is a light and a screwdriver. It could be Phillips or flathead, and we got 3 screws. We got one right here and one right here and one right here. I recommend using a flathead. It actually worked easier for me. And you got to unplug this plug right here. And there it is. I originally tried to fix this one because it was still working. It was just making a lot of noise. And after messing with it and trying to take it apart and oil it and fix it, it still did the same thing when I put it back in. So here's the new one. And we're going to test it and see if all that noise is gone and it blows right. Turn it up. Oh, yeah. AC might sound loud to you, but it's really not that loud. It sounds like the original one. It's blowing full speed and it sounds good. So, thanks for watching. Real easy to fix, to do it yourself.